Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you around my bedroom and I'm going to be doing a room tour for you. I will warn you now, it's quite festive at the moment in my room, so it doesn't look like this all year round. But since my last room tour, there have been so many changes made to my room, including my brand new desk, which has been very kindly gifted to me by FlexiSpot. So thank you so much to them for sending me this absolutely incredible desk, which you'll see more of in a minute. But I'm going to leave the links down below to my desk, as well as a discount code for you if you're interested in purchasing your own desk from FlexiSpot. But I don't want to make this intro too long, so without further ado, let's get into the room tour. Okay, so as you can see above this desk, I've got just this nice photo frame which has got loads of pictures in of me and my friends, which my friends got me this year for my 18th birthday. So that just sits on the wall above my desk. And down here you have my desk, which is from FlexiSpot, and like I mentioned before, they very kindly gifted this to me, so thank you so much. I am loving it. So one of my favourite things about this desk is that you can adjust the height of it, so you can use it when you're sitting, when you're standing, if you're tall, if you're short. You can completely customise this desk to your own height. I also was able to customise, you know, what kind of legs and what kind of top I wanted, so I just went for all white because, as you're going to see in a minute, my whole bedroom is white and I just enjoy that and I like it a lot more. But like I said, you can completely customise this to your own taste. Yeah, so on top of my desk I've just got a couple of plants from Primark. I've then got my blue light glasses, my Google Home, my BT Wi-Fi, and I've just got a drink on there at the moment, and my highlighters, along with my laptop, my iPad and all that. Now what I like about this desk is the amount of space you have on the worktop. If you saw my last room tour or my last desk tour, you'll notice that my desk was not as big as this in terms of worktop space, and this is just incredible. I've got so much space to have my laptop out and do my work at the same time. So it's all controlled by this LED panel down here, and then you can literally just press this button and it will start to move. So as I hold it in, this is how tall it's going to get. So as you can see, the height position has changed so much. So I could literally, I mean, this is like not, this is a bit high for me right now, but I just wanted to show you it can go higher. But obviously I have a photo frame on the wall, and you can easily set this to be your standing position. And of course I can lower it back down to be this kind of sitting height, which also means I can raise up my chair anyway, or of course you can go a little bit lower, like so, and I can set this as my sitting position. Like I said, I can literally press this now and it will go straight back up to the standing position, or I can go back to my sitting position and not have to change the controls every single time. So if you are interested in having a look on FlexiSpot's website or purchasing a desk for yourself, I mean, Christmas is coming up, so this could be the perfect time, then all the links will be in the description box below. And again, a massive thank you to FlexiSpot for sending me the desk. Okay, so moving on around in my room, next to my desk I've got my Alex 9 drawers. Of course, I've had these for years. Pretty much every beauty guru seemed to have them from 2014. And I've just got my makeup brushes, again in these classic IKEA pots, and then my light behind there is a number 7 lamp, and things like that. So in my drawers, like the first two kind of like makeup and skincare. As we go down, I've got things like body lotions, hair ties, my hairdryer, and then the ones at the very bottom have a lot of stationery in there and kind of files and everything like that. So I just have a really clear workspace on top of my desk. And then next to it I have this hanging fake plant coming down, which is from IKEA, I believe. And then I obviously have my wardrobe, and I'm pretty sure this is either IKEA or Argos, one of the two. I'm pretty sure that it was IKEA. I just have my windowsill, so on top of it I've got loads of books, and then next to that I've just got a candle, and then on the other side I've got a box of tissues and a small lamp, which is from Primark. And then as we move around my room, I have my chest of drawers, which I'll show you properly in a minute, and they're from IKEA. And then on top of that I've got my Christmas tree, which I got last year in Wilko's. I think it was like a tenner, and it's like a 3-foot tree. I've just decorated it. In the middle you've got baby Kevin from Aldi, and then next to that again I've got a candle, which I think is from Card Factory, and then these 3 fake plants, which are from IKEA. And in my uni room I have some very similar ones. I just love having fake plants, and I just feel like my room is very white, so just adding pops of green to it really help it to stand out. And then like I said, these are my chest of drawers. I believe they're called Malm drawers. They're pretty decent, 4 drawers, really big, loads of space. And then I've just got my mini fridge down here, which if you saw my what I got for Christmas video last year, you would have seen it in there, which is usually on my chest of drawers, but because the tree's up there, I've just moved it off there for the meantime. And then next to the chest of drawers, I've got my bed. So I've got these lights going around it, which I think I got in Primark last year. These 3 cushions here are from a store called Chicky D, and I believe they were on 3 for 2, so they were like £6 each, and I absolutely love them. And then I've got my Christmas bedding on here, which is from Asda. I got this a couple of years ago now, and I just thought, you know what, it's the perfect time of year, I'm just going to chuck it on. Okay, the cushions don't match, but it's my room, I love it. And then my bed I got from Amazon a few years ago now. So next to my bed I have my bedside table, so just above that I've got my Black Cats calendar here, and of course we made it to the final month of December, and it's really sad because I can't have a big calendar like this up in my uni room, so when I came home I had to flick through a couple of months to put that up. Like I said, next to my bed I've got my bedside table, which is the Malm bedside table, so it kind of matches in with the chest of drawers. And then on top of it I've got my clock, which is a Lumi, and you can get some boots. And then I've got this beautiful golden lamp on there from, I think this was Next, and then next to it I've got a plant from IKEA, and then just my bin from Wilko's. And that concludes my room tour. I really hope you enjoyed seeing this little insight into my room during this festive period as well. If you'd like me to do an updated room tour more towards, you know, the new year, summertime again, when the room's not looking so festive, then do let me know it down below. And if you would like to see a university room tour to see how my room compares, then also let me know by giving this video a thumbs up or leaving a comment in the comment section. And finally, again, a massive thank you to FlexiSpot for sending me the desk. Like I mentioned, all the links and discount codes, everything like that will be in the description box below. But if you are new to my channel and this is the first video you're watching, then make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on. I've got loads of exciting content coming for you towards the end of this year and the start of the new year too, hopefully when things are a little bit more normal and back to kind of a proper routine, especially at uni. But yeah, that's all I have to say for today's video, so I will see you all in my next one. Bye!